Information shapes our world. It connects people, builds knowledge, and influences decisions every single day. But with great power comes great responsibility. In our previous video, we learned that information is data that has meaning or value. However, there are certain ethics and morals that need to be preserved when dealing with information. And that's what we'll discuss in the second lesson in Unit 1 of the Programming and AI subject for Grade 10 students. Information ethics. Information ethics are the foundational concepts and attitudes necessary for conducting appropriate activities in the information society. This is regardless of the presence or absence of laws. Therefore, there are certain points to consider when disseminating information. First of which, the characteristics of information on the internet. Information is easily spread, and once disseminated, it tends not to disappear easily, which must be taken into account. Additionally, infringement of others' rights must be borne in mind. Images or videos of which others hold the copyrights of must not be shared without permission. Personal information of another person must not be leaked on the internet. You must not infringe upon others' privacy, and most importantly, you must not post comments that slander or defame others or engage in online bullying. Another point that must be taken into consideration is geotag. Geotagging is information that includes latitudes and longitudes embedded in photos and videos taken with smartphones. There is a huge risk of this information being identified, such as having your home pinpointed based on the location where the photo was taken. Lastly, disinformation and rumors, which is false information and baseless rumors that are deliberately spread. There are multiple problems that may occur when using smartphones and social media. As we all know, social media is a service that provides platforms where individuals can connect with each other on the internet. And from the problems that may face smartphones and social media users, internet addiction. Internet addiction is a state where one becomes excessively immersed in the internet to the extent of interfering with daily life. The act of using smartphones while walking is a huge problem as well. But most importantly and dangerously, cybercrime, which is the misuse of computers and network for criminal activities, such as identity theft, which is the act of a third party pretending to be a certain individual or organization to steal IDs or passwords, and leakage of personal information, when personal information that should remain confidential is disclosed to a third party. To sum up, there are certain ethics that must be followed when disseminating information. Important points to consider are characteristics of information, infringement of others' rights, geotagging, disinformation, and rumors. Furthermore, some problems that may occur when using smartphones and social media are internet addiction, using smartphones while walking, cybercrime, identity theft, and leakage of personal information. The internet never forgets, so use it wisely. And always remember, be kind, be smart, and be responsible with every click and every share.